16th, gonna go sailing with Francis, Kenny Nilsen. Race. Okay, here are the docks at Mount Sinai. J dock, I think, is where the Samuels were. And K dock is where Fran is right now. I love the hat, Fran.
Good.
You're in the mood here.
All right.
Nice looking vehicle.
Thanks.
Wow, look at that.
It just for the occasion.
Holy mackerel, Kenny! How you doing, buddy?
Good.
I was looking everywhere for my APL Coral shirt.
You lost it already?
Diana washed it, and then the thing's like freaking disappeared.
Unfortunately, there's not a heck of a lot of breeze right now, Mike.
I know, I see that.
But good, you got in, no problem?
Yep, I'm parked over on the other side of the building. I forgot to park here.
Not when they have them above 50.
Oh yeah, I guess we're at low tide right now.
That is, Ken.
So Fran, where were the Samuels? They were on J? Oh, we were on J. There she is. The winning sailboat. The most winningest sailboat of Mount Sinai Harbor.
Annapolis to Newport race.
Now that's ridiculous. Was the big winner in the Annapolis to Newport race that included a tandem of Kenny and Matthew. How many miles again? 410? 470. And then he...
Do you want to put the jib up?
We don't have.
We could wait, because right now we're looking at 1 knot. 1.1 knot. These are the wind speeds right here.
Oh boy.
You know, we probably need at least 4 to 5 knots of breeze to... We'll just leave it right here.
Oh, just to get the jib up?
Put it down.
Okay.
I mean, it doesn't matter. It takes 2 seconds to put up. I'll hand it. Keeping the sun off the main.
Brandon, remember when we did this with, good night, guys.
Good luck.
Remember we did that? Remember I took out, might have been Father Frank, in the lightning, or somebody. It was one of the priests on lightning. There was like no breeze. And then all of a sudden, later on, all of a sudden we got a breeze.
Yeah.
So we do need a little bit of help.
Yeah, we need the breeze.
So,
I don't think it was Father Frank. I don't think we've ever had Father Frank out.
so we got 3.
That's 0.3.
Oh, that's 0.3. Oh boy.
Yeah.
Not good.
Yeah, that's 0.3.
So Francis, Captain Fran. This is Bob over here. This is Francis. And of course, Brother Fran, looking very distinguished behind the wheel. And his son Kenny, who loves being on film with me. How'd you like that film? APL Coral.
Oh, that was great. I was showing that to a bunch of people.
I told everyone about it.
The APL Coral leaving during the ice ages to New York City
Right.
Harbor and returning 75 days later.
They come back on the 30th. Or the 31st. They'll be coming back in.
Oh, so you're going on the very same boat?
No, I gave the job up. I'm not going back.
No? So what are you doing? Are you going on another one?
No, I don't know.
Oh, so you didn't, you were supposed to go at the end of this month then?
Yeah.
Okay, but you decided not to do a Singapore trip again? Is that what that ship does? Just Singapore all the time?
Oh, it goes everywhere. Singapore is just one of the places it goes. It went.
Well, agreed. I mean, you know, what do you stop at like 10 ports along the way?
Singapore was the farthest east.
Right.
Or west. We went wherever.
Okay.
To was 12 hours ahead. Thailand was only 11 hours ahead.
How do you like the Bimini?
It's nice.
My wife got me that for Christmas.
Yeah, it's a nice
So
little
we've been racing with it, double-handed, single-handed. Oh, and Monday, you want to do a double-handed with me?
Check.
Yeah, check it out.
It's
Let
been
me
a
know.
while, Francis,
Because I
since
don't
I've
have
gone
either
sailing with my
boys.
brother.
Oh, really?
Actually, quite a few years.
Wow.
I can't remember. The last time we did it was when he came to Breezy Point, which was about 5-6 years ago.
I was crewing for him back then.
What's that?
I only started like 4 years ago, I think. But only really consistently the past 2 years.
Got it.
This is the boat yard. This is where we keep the boat.
Oh, the yacht club's over here.
It's the next one.
Okay.
Yeah. Patriots in the water. Wow. Maybe he's got somebody looking at it.
Huh.
A brown bottom on it.
Well, this will just have to give me an excuse, Fran, to come back again when the weather's bad.
Yeah, we got a little
We
pressure.
have a
You racing with Stony Brook this weekend?
No. What's going on this weekend?
The Setauket Yacht Club has a
It's a race around Middle Ground today.
Oh, really?
what's it? A sprint race or
It's
something.
one of their
right?
series. They have a 4-race series in the summer.
Kenny and I are crewing on Maritime's boat.
Oh, yeah?
American Girl.
Oh, they're gonna come all the way out for that?
Yeah.
now, Fran, remember that house up there on the hill when it was being built?
Yeah.
And Timmy Murphy went up there as it was being built and like hang out inside smoking pot and drinking. The cops came by and said, "What are you doing?" "Oh, just trying to enjoy the place before the owners get in it."
He did.
It's like, holy cow. You know, you always know a few wild kids you went to school with. Yeah. Nice.
One with the cupola over there, that's the Harbor Hills Country Club.
Oh, is that right? Okay.
That's Lombardi's on the sound, right?
Right.
The other guy today I called him about cleaning his bottom.
Right. Jude.
He goes, "It's in the yacht club. Is that okay?" I said, "Yeah, we've done them in the yacht club." He goes, "The water's dirty there."
Down the island? With anyone?
You want to do a team with us? Yeah, because we're not racing you. Wait, what? They're gonna lose anyway. Yeah. You gotta find a third. Is anyone else new? Just leave it in Hale. We're not going anywhere in any rush.
Okay.
Yeah, but he screwed you in the protest. I'll take a look at the thing and see who's at. I'll take a look and see if there's anyone else. I think there's a couple bottoms we're cleaning for it, but
So these are all the guys motoring around waiting to see if we have a race.
have you started looking at any forecasts?
And who's going to decide?
We're racing Ouija, we'll be racing.
There's this Killer 105
idea.
that's out there. We can't compete against them.
So,
Yeah.
who is the boat that
Every race
decides
we've done, he's
if
kicked
the
our
race is
ass.
on?
Over there, in the sun. Their race committee.
Oh, the race committee's
Yeah, but if
over
they're
here.
not, they can
Okay.
clean and we can't. Can't beat them. Alright, I'll clean the keel. Yeah. Psych it out.
Kenny, what are you doing, man? going under to clean the kiln.
Yeah.
All for the purpose
That's
of
what I was hoping
psyching
like my
out.
younger crew would be doing right now, cleaning the bottom.
Nobody asked.
Get Francis in his bathing suit, man, give him a
wearing it.
scrubby, you know?
That
This is where
so
Bob
funny.
and I sit back and just suck down the cold ones. You know?
For some reason, they had. We're going over here. Here he is.
I should be 6 inches bigger than what I am on the house right now. I'm taking a penalty right now. I could be 6 inches bigger, which I just haven't had a chance to make that.
Is this you had to aftermarket? Kind
Yeah,
of
that's my own.
Jury rig.
Yeah.
What class
Well, I
is
think
a?
it's more than a jury rig.
Not a jury rig, but make it yourself.
Yeah,
This
like
boat
Doug. See, Doug has one mounted on the deck.
Yeah.
They probably paid like $1,500 for that setup.
You think?
Oh yeah.
This is glass slipper you're talking about. See your class?
Yeah.
He's Spinnaker, but he's in B division. We're in A division.
Okay.
What would happen at West Meadow is that you have all the sandbars and the kids would walk out on the sandbars and playing around, kicking around a soccer ball or collecting shells, doing whatever, and the tide starts to come in. And then
Okay, so the hull's nice and clean.
back at that point.
Cleaned off everything, right? Keel,
They walk
hull,
out, tide comes up, try to walk back. and
any
end up
drag.
up
There he is,
and
perfect.
sometimes going under. So those were the most.
Now he's all
high
washed up.
performance
Nice.
that you had to do at
Isabar
West
is
Meadow.
so over there too,
But it's not like the South Shore where you regularly have to go.
You don't need that?
Yeah, the ocean guards.
I mean, there's a decent number of boats here, friend.
Oh yeah. And my problem is every time I get a bigger boat, everybody else gets bigger boats.
Is that right? Oh boy.
So
That's why you buy a J125 and no one could beat it.
How big is a J125?
40 feet.
I'm not sure.
It doesn't matter.
Okay, I'm gonna zoom in over there and see what we got. You got one guy here has got like a big staircase going straight down. There was an article in the paper recently about the big pink house.
Really?
Been in a few movies. It's like kind of famous.
Huh.
See, I didn't want to use this because like my skin is so sensitive. This is gonna make me break out. But I'd rather have that than get my face cut up in the future, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Fran, what I didn't document was the 3 horns. The 3 blasts of the horn. Canceling the race for the night because of lack of wind. So it is kind of
Want me
neat
to get the air horn? Hit it 3 times?
Well, listen, I got a shirt out of the deal.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna have to come
You
back.
got 2 shirts out of the deal. Now you give a coral.
Oh yeah, but I earned that one.
Grandpa had-
I earned that one, baby.
Grandpa, you did.
I was, think
And
about who would be,
I didn't even think
who
of
would
it.
be kind of motivated enough to get up that early to see you come
go
in at
film
4
that
o'clock in the
day.
morning.
But I told Grandpa. Grandpa, it's like the first thing he had to tell me about.
There he is. Kenny went halfway around went all the way around to the other side of the world.
Get that up, deal. Boom, right into the red.
All right.
Crash right into the
Okay.
red.
There we go.
Did the guy hit it?
Oh, yeah, straight into it.
He did.
Rob was telling me about when they were out water skiing the other day.
Gonna run it back, Bob?
He's like,
That's
yeah,
right.
I'm going right there. That's the stupidest thing ever. No. Honestly, it is, especially after what happened to Kimberly.
Yeah, exactly. I forget about it. You forget about that. Holy cow.
I never realized
that
it.
was-
I never even realized that's what happened to her.
What?
Back like the
True.
Francis, bring that bumper inboard till we're docked, then throw it over.
Yeah, they're in here.
Oh, okay. Sorry, it looked like it was out.
Hey, Fran, were you on board when we had the windy docking of the of Dad's 25-footer that broke the superstructure?
Yes. Yes.
Remember that?
Yep.
The winds were blowing like 40 miles an hour,
Yep.
and we were trying to get the freaking thing in backwards.
When the Samson post got...
And it was like, holy mackerel.
I only closed that hatch, I didn't lock it.
I locked it. I actually vented it, and then, because it's going to be nice the next couple of days.
They took the motorcycle to school this morning.
They did?
Nice ride. Oh, this one keeps up with me.
Yeah.
But that didn't happen, did it? No.
Okay. Most exciting part of this boating trip is Kenny bringing it in to the dock.
I know.
Hold on there, Ken.
Well, what do you want me to tell you?
Back it up again.
I don't need the narration. I told you forward and you're like,